Next question is, this figure shows the sketch of the curve with equation y is equal to fx. This is the equation. The curve crosses the x-axis at 0, 4, this one, and x-axis at 5, 0. These are the 2 points. The line with the equation y is equal to 1. The curve has a single turning point at 2, 7. dy over dx is 0 here. The line with the equation y is equal to 1 is the only asymptote to the curve. This is the asymptote. State the coordinate of the turning point of the curve with equation y is equal to fx minus 2. So for y is equal to fx, the coordinates are coordinates of turning points is 2 and 7. Now we have to find the coordinate for the turning point of the curve with the equation y is equal to f x minus 2. So the coordinate of turning point will be, now in this one, when we have fx plus minus a, the graph moves in these two directions. Its height will remain the same, it will not change. Either it will come this side or it will come this side. Either it will move this way or this way for these values. If it was x plus 2, this is a plus 2, so it will move this direction in minus 2 direction. So if x coordinate is suppose 10 and 3, so this will become minus 2, so it will be 8 and 3. Your graph is only, if this point is 10 and 3, so this graph will move slightly this side 2 points, so this will become 8 and 3. It will only affect, this affects x-axis, and if the graph is moving in this way, fx plus a, you can see that y is increased by a. If it is fx plus 2, so y is increased by 2, so the graph, if the graph is this, it will move up 2 points. So now this is inside the bracket, so it will only affect x-axis, and what, this is minus 2, so the graph will move in this direction, means plus 2. So the coordinate will be 4 and 7. It means this graph somehow will move like this. This has become now 4 and 7. This is part A. The part B is, state the solution for the equation f (2x is 0). Now if I ask you what is the solution of this graph fx, the solution is where it is intersecting the coordinate. So x is equal to 5 is the solution of present graph. This is the solution. Now if the equation is 2x, now we have two types of equation again. One is you can write 2fx and f2x. Again this one is you multiply this by y This is multiplication sign, not xy, multiply by y. And in this case, you divide x coordinate by 2. If it is inside the bracket, you divide the x coordinate by the number. If it is outside the bracket, you multiply y coordinate by the number given. Now this is 2. So what will be this coordinate? This coordinate is, the solution is 5, 0. So this graph will be divided by x coordinate by 2. So divide 5 by 2. So this is 2.5. So this graph will pass through this one. So that's why it's saying state the solution. You just write the solution. So it will be x is equal to half of this, that is 2.5. Part C. State the equation of the asymptote of the curve with the equation y is equal to f minus x. Now y is equal to f. Now again you have to understand two things. Y is equal to minus fx and y is equal to f minus x. This is minus fx is reflection in x-axis. Only remember that this is definitely the reflection in y-axis. So its reflection will be so what is the asymptote? It will remain the same. This is the reflection in y-axis. So equation of the asymptote will be y is equal to 1, or you can write y minus 1 is equal to 0, the equation of asymptote. And part D. Given that the line with equation y is equal to k, where k is a constant, meets the curve. Given that the line with equation y is equal to k, where k is a constant, meet the curve with y is equal to fx at only one point. State the set of possible values of k. So this is our graph, something like this. Okay, this is y is equal to 1, this is fx, this is 2, 7, this is 5, 0, and this one is 0, 4. Now given that the line with equation y is equal to k, this is y is equal to 1, so y is equal to k can be any line. This is y is equal to k, this is y is equal to k, this one is y is equal to k, or this one is y is equal to k. Meets the curve at only one point. Now this y is equal to k is not meeting this curve. This is meeting at two places. This is meeting at one place, and the curve is like this is also one place. So any line from here, any line if you draw, this one, whatever line you draw, it is meeting the curve at one place. State the set of possible values of k. So what are the values of k? Y is equal to k means which values of y? So y is less than equal to 1. So for all these values, we start from here. You draw any line or any value of, you can have any value of y, this value of y. This goes 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, this all values. It's meeting the graph only at one place. Then there's one more point. If it touches, just touches, this is also meeting the graph at one point. So y is equal to 7. So we have these two solutions. I have seen this question lately in so many recent papers, this kind of question. So those who are sitting for just January exam, make sure the question of this type may appear in your examinations. Thank you very much for watching.